Welcome back to the channel, Credit K's YouTube channel, where we talk about business credit, personal credit, finance, crypto, everything to help you level up in life and start a business and grow your income. We about that. And today I'm back with another great business credit video. A couple of great business credit products. It's about zero interest credit cards. Yes, right. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. The best zero interest business credit cards out there for you guys to apply for in 2022 to get that money, to invest in things, save that interest payment down the line. Then once you build that cash flow up, then pay it all off at one time. So let's get into it. All right, now we are in our computer here. Let's show you a couple of websites at the top. Business credit cards with 0% interest. You know, like the new braid, like the new look, got the dreads braided down. Yeah, man, if you look a little slimmer, man, let me know in the comment below if you like the new look. You ain't rocking with it. Cut that ish off. Credit K, you embarrassing us if you feel that way. All right, so first we got up is the Chase credit card. This is in no particular order, guys. Not really giving you the one through, top, in that order, but this is some of the ones I like the most, ones that's pretty easy to apply for and get approved for new businesses. So let's talk about the Inc. Business Unlimited card. All right, so this card, move my face on out the way. Like I said, you get a 750 bonus right now, and depending on when you're watching this video, either today or in the future, these things can change. So always go on the website and check the what's going on. If it's still 0% interest, they got any different bonuses going on. But for this one right now, they have zero interest for 12 whole months. I was approved for this card for $24,000. I'm actually going to show you guys here in the Credit K Black Book of Credit. All my cards and stuff, I can get to it. But I definitely have this one in the pipeline, the Black Book of Credit. You've seen people, play about their credit cards spread out, but I got mine in a little black book like you used to have back in the day, full of phone numbers. I got it full of credit cards or full of baseball cards or whatever, Pokemon cards, whatever you guys used to collect. I collect credit cards. So I got this one in there. It has a nice metal feel to it, actually. A little heavier than some of the other cards, but yeah, here it is right here. The Chase Inc. Yep. Got me one for $24,000, guys. I'm going to leave a link to the description to all of them below. I actually have a referral bonus for Chase. So if you sign up under me, both of us get double the sign-on bonus reward. So let's go on to the next one. Next is the Business Vantage Customer Rewards Card from Bank of America. Look at some of their terms. Get a $300 credit statement, first 90 days, cash back on purchases, dealing with your business. But what you're here for, 0% APR for 9 months. 9 months. And this is the actual card I was approved for from Bank of America to open up me a bank account. Week later, I applied for the credit card. Was approved for $9,000. So no need for gardening, no need for waiting. You let the account build up. I got this card and was approved for the credit card a week later after I opened up the business checking account, guys. Next, we have Capital One. Capital One has a couple of business products with 0% interest. The Spark Cash card here. So when I'm speaking of, this gives 12 months, 0% interest. And this one does not have an APR, but you must pay the balance in full every month to avoid a 2.9 late fee, which I didn't even know Capital One had, it was such as guess like this is like a charge card almost. Very interesting. This is what I started with. It did not have any 0% APR. This is kind of the low credit score Capital One business card. But the bad thing about it, although it does, help credit building, reports to the business credit bureaus, but it reports to the personal credit bureaus as well. But these other cards, this Spark 1.5 mile card with 0 for 9 months, and this one for 0 for 12 months, does not report to personal credit report as of October 2020 when I spoke with a rep from the company. So great introductory, no introductory APR for the Spark 1.5 Cash Select card or the blue Spark 1.5 Miles card. One is 12, one is 9. Moving right along, the Discover Unlimited 1.5 Cashback Rewards cards. No annual fee. And let's see about the zero interest. Where is the zero interest? How much purchase card this year? Business credit. I want to show you guys. Here it is. Okay, a business credit card with no annual fee or low intro APR. Zero intro APR for 12 months. Also, with that other gold classic Capital One card, this one does also report to personal credit. So be aware. The best thing about business credit is it does not report to personal credit except for these two credit cards, Discover and Capital One Classic. So just be mindful of that, but there are great cards still to have. Very easy to get approved for. They're not inquiry sensitive like Chase is or US Bank, and they give the intro zero interest APR. We already did Chase. Now Chase does have another one in their system. A couple of business card has 0% interest, but I went over the one that gives pretty much the highest limits and the best one, the Chase Inc. And then over to American Express. Now, everybody knows that if you are in American Express as a personal card holder, you will not receive a hard inquiry when applying for the business card. Once you're in the system, they do what's called an internal review, a soft pull, and they, review your credit report, make sure you don't have any repos or anything outstanding on your credit report, and they'll give you your credit card without a hard inquiry on your report. And this blue business cash card, which I have as well, I'm a flick. Let me see what they call it. Here it is. There's the guy. The blue cash looks just like that one. This one gave me about $4,000 up front. Been doing credit limit increases since 2020 when I first got that card. But they gave me the 0% interest where I bought a bunch of inventory and sold some things online. So it's a great card to have, great tool to boost your credit. And this one has a referral. I'm going to leave a referral down in the description below to apply for this one. And both of us get bonus points for applying. And last but not least, US Bank. I'll say this one for last because this is the toughest one to apply for. You need to have great credit, 720 or higher, Experian or TransUnion. Just like, with regular credit cards, business credit cards, they still do a hard pull on you. So your personal credit score needs to be above at least 680 for most of these cards. And for this one, you need to be a 720. Capital One and US Bank, you want to have some of the higher credit scores on the Experian end. And Capital One data points they pull from Equifax. But US Bank, I've been trying to get in with them for the longest. Definitely, this is a relationship type bank. So you want to go ahead and open up an account with US Bank first. Let it garden for at least 60 days, if not longer. Put some money in there, put at least $500 in there. Before you apply for this card, make sure you don't have no more than 3 inquiries on your credit report as well. All right, guys. So that's going to wrap it up. The best business credit 0 APR cards, no interest for 12, 9, 6 months, some of these. So go ahead, get these for your business, run them up, especially the ones that do not report on the personal side. You can pay the minimum balance for now. As your inventory grows, your business goal grows, as the cash flow grows from using these cards as investments, not as taking trips and buying stuff. Using these cards to invest and make more money. As you make more money, then you can pay off that 0% interest. And by the time that card, starts charging interest, you'll have everything paid off, or the balance is extremely low. All right, guys, that's the goal. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. If you're still here, I'm sure you found value. I want to invite you to my Facebook group. Link down in the description below. Join the Facebook group. I'm always answering questions. You can shoot me a private message. Follow me on all social media at Credit K. Shoot me a DM if you have a credit question. I'm happy to answer it for you guys, or leave a comment if you have a credit question below, or anything you want me to cover in another video. I'll gladly go over it. All right, guys. Later.